Do you feel like your business apps are speaking different languages? iPaaS, an integration platform as a service, unifies your apps so that they speak one language. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at iPaaS, an integration platform as a service. Let's get started. What is iPaaS? iPaaS stands for an integration platform as a service, which is a cloud-based tool that is used to connect all your apps and systems so that they can share data automatically and seamlessly. Why is iPaaS important? Without iPaaS, your systems are like isolated islands. But with iPaaS, your data flows freely, processes are automated. It connects apps through pre-built connectors, monitors data, and fixes any leaks automatically. Here are some of the benefits of iPaaS. Number one, streamlines operations. All the apps talk to each other in real time. Number two, reduces errors. No more copy and paste mistakes. Number three, saves time. Automates repetitive tasks. Number four, enhances customer experience. Faster response times and accurate data. We have reached the end of today's video. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which videos you like to see next. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this video.